Hello everyone, my name is Paragi. I had completed my graduation in computer engineering from Sankarshi Waghela Bapu Institute of Technology in 2020. Then after I joined STAD Solution for software testing training. Due to this COVID pandemic, I joined online training. And during training, I have learned many things like how to write a test cases and test scenarios, software development life cycle, software testing life cycle, and how to create a bug report. I also learned and tested many mobile and web applications and created a bug report on that. The whole team of STAD Solution is very supportive, and especially the teaching method of Richa ma'am was very good. During this training, I got placed as a QA tester at Lodestone. So I recommend all students to join a STAD Solution who wants to make their career in a software testing. Thank you.